Moment of truth. Y'all been out here all night? Tonight on the menu, we have lemon chickpea salad. Yeah. What you were gonna need, an avocado. If you don't have an avocado, you can substitute it with wet cardboard. And a pot or bowl big enough to mix your regrets into. Just so relaxing. It is really, really weird being able to see through the hammock. Stay there, sweetie. Yes, people, we are back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time it is and whatever part of the world that you're watching this, welcome back to the old Southern Pine. Today finds Fiona and I back out in the Scamp. We are in the woods in an absolutely beautiful location. It has been a long day of driving. It is getting late. We are both exhausted. So unless anything else exciting happens, we'll start the adventure first thing in the morning. Good night. Y'all been out here all night? No matter. Come on, let's eat some breakfast. Well, y'all, we had a fantastic night. We had hoped to be able to get here a few hours earlier, but that's just not how the day went. But we're thrilled to be here now and have you guys here with us. We're gonna have some breakfast. We're gonna take a look around camp. This morning for breakfast, we've got oats and honey granola with some Too Good yogurt. I don't know. Hi. You can't have that, but you can have one of these. We've also got blueberries and strawberries, and dogs can have blueberries. We'll see if Fiona actually eats one. Hey, right here. You want that? You gonna eat it, or are you just gonna roll it around? Completely uninterested? You're just gonna walk off? All right. You got a blueberry right there. Don't you, blueberry? Yeah. What are you being weird about? It's just a blueberry. Hey, you want blueberry? We got ourselves a brand new hammock to try out. This is the One Wind Prism hammock, and it's a see-through hammock, which will be interesting. It is ultra lightweight, I will give them that. Rated to hold up to 500 pounds. Let's see if I'm smart enough to figure out how to put this thing together. Oh yeah, it's simple. And as with all hammock setups, you want the end where your feet are going to be about 12 inches higher than where you want your head end to be. And that helps you lay flat. Extra bits. Don't even know what those are. Figure it out when it dumps us on the ground. One little button end through there. The other button end, shore it up. Oh, nice. They've even got a ridge line set up here. That's gonna be too low. Moment of truth. Yeah, that feels sturdy. Yeah, that's nice. Throw my phone right up there on the ridge line, send that on. You can see why they call it the Prism with that see-through fabric right there. I find it almost impossible to not be comfortable in a hammock. Just so relaxing. Always comfortable regardless of what position you're sleeping in. It is really, really weird being able to see through the hammock. I was sitting here looking at the camera and see the ground underneath me. It's holding, it's comfortable. I like it. I would rather sleep in a hammock than anything else. If Lovely Bride would have consented to having a couple of hammocks strung up in our bedroom, I'd have gotten rid of our bed a long time ago. But you can imagine how that conversation might have gone. Well, we finally convinced ourselves to get out of the hammock. I think it's about time that we go see if we can't do some fishing. Well, guys, we decided that we needed to go fishing, and I think we went to, 5 different, roadside stop areas along a pretty decent trout stream. I didn't catch a thing. I had 2 good strikes on my line, but I didn't set the hook fast enough, and they both got away. But we still had a good time, and got to meet a gentleman and a new subscriber down there. And I apologize, man. I realized as I was starting to drive away that I didn't catch your name, but it sure was great meeting you, and I hope you caught that 16-inch trout that we could see. Tonight on the menu, we have lemon chickpea salad. Yeah, that's a first on this channel, but here we are. What you are gonna need is chickpeas, feta cheese, goat cheese, onions, cucumbers, but I do not like cucumbers, so I'm substituting that for zucchini, olives, artichoke and lemon pesto, an avocado. If you don't have an avocado, you can substitute it with wet cardboard. And a pot or bowl big enough to mix your regrets into. First thing we do, open and drain the chickpeas. Then, because apparently that wasn't good enough, we have to now rinse them. Don't ask me why, I'm just following instructions. Might as well rinse them again, I guess. Because anything worth doing is worth overdoing. Alright, once you've got your chickpeas bathed, go ahead and dump those into the pot. Your onions, mix those in as well. I'm not going to use all of those, that's a lot of onions. Your zucchini, cucumbers, if you like that kind of thing. Why not? Take your olives. I've got black olives here that Lovely Bride has already cut up for me, as well as everything else here. All right, let's cut into this thing. All right. Pit just keeps breaking on me. Look, let's just pretend that this thing popped right out whenever I twisted it. Slice that up. That's more trouble than it's worth. Feta cheese. All of it. I love goat cheese. That's the extra creamy kind. Nice. Dump in your authentic Italian, it says right there, artichoke and lemon pesto, and then mix until well incorporated. Well, there's our one chunk of avocado that I was able to get carved up. That qualifies as healthy. And here we are. All right. Well, this looks... Oh, we forgot our basil. Yeah. All right. And then pepper. Let's add a lot of pepper to try and cover up some of that flavor. And with that, we are ready to try it. Let's see how this turned out. I actually love chickpeas, and I love zucchini. So there's enough chickpea and zucchini and cheese in here. When Lovely Brad's coming up with these recipes, I think she should have just left the word salad out of it. Called it artichoke lemon chickpea melody. Yeah, that sounds better. That's what we're gonna call it too. It's not steak and onions, and it ain't fried chicken, but I think we'll survive it. We're gonna finish this up. We'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, you guys, supper's all cleaned up. We are in the Scamp for the evening. Fiona's already completely tuckered out. We've got some stuff saved to the tablet that we're gonna watch. So unless anything else exciting happens, we'll see you guys first thing in the morning. Good night. Good morning, everybody. We slept amazing. It was such a good night of sleep. We had the fan on, and it actually cooled down a little bit last night. It was really, really nice. A good breeze was coming through. It went like the open windows all night long, and that was fantastic. Give me a few minutes to get woken up here, and let's get some breakfast. All right, you guys, for breakfast this morning, we've got yogurt, blueberries, an orange, orange juice. You want to try a blueberry again? I didn't mean to stick your face in it. Here, you want to try this? Go. You actually gonna eat it, or you just gonna moosh it around? Oh, just gonna moosh it around? It's not turkey sausage and eggs, but it is nice. All right, you guys, I think we're probably going to go ahead and wrap the episode up here. We got to get the camper packed away and hooked back up to the truck, and we got a long drive home today. If you've stuck around this long, I truly want to thank you. It really does mean a lot to us. Please consider liking, subscribing, commenting down below. We genuinely love hearing from you guys. And if you're watching this from a mobile device within the first 7 days of it being uploaded, once you click like, the hype button should appear. It really does mean a lot to us. It's completely free to you guys, but it helps the channel out tremendously. We have brand new videos out every Sunday at noon Central. Hi, what you doing? We have new videos out every Sunday at noon Central time. And until we meet again under the old Southern Pine, stay safe. God bless. I can't see my breakfast.